Hello guys, it's me Guru and you are watching Learn Everything. In this video I will explain what is content writing and how one of my closest freelancer friend is earning a decent income from it every month, and how much money you can make from this content writing and earn money. So let's start the video with a small intro. First of all, what is content writing? You have to understand what the job you have to do. Content writing is a popular and lucrative way to make money online, with more and more businesses and websites needing high quality content to attract viewers or engage their audience. There have never been a better time to get started with content writing. I am explaining it in algorithm wise. So first, step 1, develop your writing skills. Before you can start earning money with content writing, you need to have strong writing skills. This means honing your grammar, syntax and style, as well as developing your ability to write in a way that is engaging and compelling for your target audience. Now it's time for step 2. Step 2 is simple. Find your niche. Once you have developed your writing skill, it's important to find a niche or area of expertise that you can specialize in. This could be anything from travel writing to teach reviews, but the key is to find niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand for content. Now the time is for step 3. Build your portfolio. Before you can start attracting clients, you need to have a strong portfolio of writing samples that demonstrates you and your writing skills and expertise. This could include blog posts, articles, white papers, case studies, or any other type of content that showcase your writing abilities. You can also start a free website to show your skills. Now the time for step 4, market yourself. Once you have a strong portfolio, it's time to start marketing yourself to potential clients. You can use many freelancer apps, plus there are many different ways to do this, including creating a website, which I will talk later, networking with other writers and industry professionals through LinkedIn, using social media, and cold emailing potential client. Now it's time for step 5. Start pitching and accepting jobs. When you start pitching to potential client, it's important to be professional and well prepared. This means researching the client and their needs, tailoring your pitch to their specific requirements, and providing clear pricing and turnaround time information. At last, now it's time for conclusion. Content writing is a great way to earn money online, but it requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to constantly improve your skills and market yourself to potential clients. By following these steps, you can start building a successful career in a freelancer type job, that is content writing, and earning a steady income doing something that you love. If this video helps you, then please do like, subscribe.